Let's draw a pot.
T-R-A-W with M-R-M-I-K-E.
First, we'll add an oval right about here. That's the opening of the pot at the top. And then we're going to add 2 lines, one on this side and one on this side. Next, we're going to add a curve and connect those 2 lines. We'll start here and we'll go all the way over. And then we're going to do the same thing at the top. We'll start here and we'll go all the way over. Okay, next we're going to add the handle. We'll add 2 lines, 1, 2, and then we'll add another line right here. Now we're going to draw 2 more lines going out like this. 1, 2, and then we're going to add a curve right here to close that off. This is a pot. Thanks for drawing with me today. I'll see you next time. Bye.
Draw with Mr. Mike. Let's draw with Mr. Mike.